Have you ever wondered why the Dead Sea is so salty that you can effortlessly float in it? Nestled between Jordan and Israel, the Dead Sea is a marvel of nature. Its saline waters are so dense they allow even non-swimmers to bob like corks. This extraordinary buoyancy is due to a high salt concentration, much higher than any ocean. This unique salt is a coveted resource, used in a variety of industries, from cosmetics to health and culinary. Now you must be wondering, how does this extraordinary salt come into being? The process of making Dead Sea salt is as fascinating as the sea itself. It begins quite naturally with the evaporation of the Dead Sea water under the relentless Middle Eastern sun. As the water evaporates, it leaves behind a rich brine. This brine, teeming with minerals, precipitates out to form salt crystals that float to the surface of the sea. It's a spectacle that is both simple and mesmerizing. Now, these floating crystals are not left to their own devices. They are carefully harvested, either manually by skilled workers or mechanically with the help of machines. This harvesting process requires a keen eye and a gentle touch, as the crystals are delicate and can easily dissolve back into the sea. Once harvested, the salt undergoes a thorough washing and drying process. This is crucial to remove any impurities and to ensure that the salt maintains its high mineral content. The washing is done with clean seawater, while the drying typically occurs under the sun, much like the evaporation process. Finally, the salt is ready to be packaged. It's sorted according to size, with the larger crystals often used for bath salts and the smaller ones used for culinary purposes. Each package is then sealed to preserve the salt's unique properties and freshness. So that's how the miraculous Dead Sea salt is produced. Let's quickly summarize the journey of Dead Sea salt from the sea to your skin or dinner table. It all starts with the unique Dead Sea, a body of water so rich in minerals that it forms salt unlike any other in the world. This salt is then harvested through a natural process, leveraging the blazing sun and the gentle sea breeze. The sun's heat evaporates the water, leaving behind the mineral-rich salt. This process, untouched by human hands, ensures that the salt retains its natural properties and high mineral content. The Dead Sea salt then makes its way to various products, from skincare items to gourmet food seasonings, providing its unique benefits. The role of natural elements in this process is truly remarkable, adding a touch of nature's magic to our everyday lives. Next time you use a product with Dead Sea salt, remember the incredible journey it has made.